Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with this last little bit for my Creative Memories haul. I am super thrilled. I totally forgot that I had some of this good stuff in it. So let me share. So here are some 6 laser cut, gorgeous, pre-done. So all you have to do is add your pictures and your background paper. Isn't it cool? It's just gorgeous. And these are done beyond compare. They are, oops. Okay, wait a minute. There's this one that I just showed you. I was thinking, how did they get those colors in there? Because that was a different one. But isn't this gorgeous? So this one is Beneath the Pines. And I think it's just gorgeous. You could use this in the summer. You could use this anytime. Even the pines, if you like take summer trips in the mountains, this would be perfect. It could be Christmas. It could be winter. It could be however. It's not season specific. So I love these. Then I also picked up, yes, you know it, the Love Winds. Aren't these great? And these have multicolors. I know. Well, you saw it earlier, but they're so pretty. Oh my gosh, I absolutely adore Creative Memories laser cut. It's gorgeous. And there was one at Christmas and I didn't get it in time and I really wanted it, but we'll see. So this is one of the National Scrapbook Day sampler packs. It is a variety of cardstock, and it is what we as advisors get. So it is multiple colors. We get 2 of the aqua, blue, dark green, scarlet, and white cardstock. There's 2 of each. So there's a lot to be said for advisors. We do get some things that aren't always available to the public. So anyways, if you ever want to know, just let me know. This is also a National Scrapbook Day kit. It matches that. So I am super excited. It comes with project sheets, stickers, designer paper. These are a blast. Again, as advisors, we not only have what's coming, but whatever's left over. I know. It's fantastic. These kits are the most affordable kits you'll find in scrapbooking anywhere. So love those. And then I also picked up some of these that are they're getting sold off. So I picked up Cheers, and this is like for, sorry guys, I use that word sometimes too much. This is for like like I said again, this is for Happy New Year's basically. So you could use it for any kind of party, Happy New Year's, etc. And so you can see, I mean, it just says party, birthday, midnight, goodbye, and then it says New Year's Eve, day, year. You could use this for all kinds of things. So anyways, I thought this was great. It was on clearance. You know me, in the sales section, got to get it. This is another Advisor 6 designer paper pack. It is for us to teach classes. So there are wonderful pages in this that are just not available to the public. These are super affordable. They're 6 sheets and they're absolutely gorgeous. They're 2-sided. Any of you who buy kits from me, a lot of the times I'll be using some of their gorgeous paper. So yes. This is the new kit that just was released. This is Keep the Faith. I'm super excited to use this in my COVID journal, and I'm just loving this kit. So it is, of course, you can see it's very manly. If you had to make a special gift for your pastor, for a deacon, for your father, for your husband, for your brother, for your son, these are beautiful. So all right. And then this is the Staycation COVID, or I think of it as COVID. And it is just another gorgeous kit with, has the stickers, the ephemera, the variety mats or journaling cards that everybody else calls them, has the border stickers, has everything. I think it even has dimensional. I adore this. They also have, I think for both of these, I'm not sure, but sometimes they even have pre-done pages you can buy. So yeah, those are the fast and quick scrapbooking pages, which I love. This was clearancing and on sale, Electric Summer. So these aren't normally my summer colors, but I thought it's on sale. It's summer's coming. Just get out of your comfort zone. And I'm hoping by summer I'm hoping we have herd immunity. We are very concerned about taking the vaccination right now due to just the dynamics of our own health and our family health and all of that, the just genetic issues. So we're hoping for herd immunity. My sister like called a couple weeks ago and said, "Have you gotten that test? Have you gotten your shot? I mean, have you gotten?" And then she finally said, "I think you guys need to consider waiting for herd immunity." So we'll see. We'll see. I love this. I have wanted this since it came out. It's called Glowing Gardens. Isn't it gorgeous? All the succulents. And of course, I lost all my succulents in the storm. So my husband and I are getting ready to go over to Walmart. I've got an order to pick up. He may go in. And if he goes in, that's what he's looking for. Yes, he is. He doesn't know it yet. That's what he's looking for. All right. So this one is the Keep the Faith. This is the two-tone paper pack that works with the other designer paper. And you can just see there are two different sides to each page. So it is 12 sheets, 12 by 12. They are gorgeous and they just complement it. That's all that it does. This was on clearance. I've used this before. I love it. It's really bright. It's happy. I'll add it to the other. I love that. I really want to go to the beach so badly right now. But anyways, that's that coastal girl. But isn't that beautiful? And just fruit, and it just makes me think of summer. So, all right, mosaic tile. This was also, I think this was on the clearance. If not, it was at Visor, but I think this may be advisor. This may be advisor only. But this is 6 sheets, so that's probably advisor. But look at these. See, that's how my bathroom tiles are. Aren't those fun? But ours are pink and green. I know. I just love these. I think they're fun. They're great complimentary pages. They're very affordable as an advisor because we have to create so much content when you teach classes. And so those are such a great resource. And if you're just a scrapbooker, you can sign up and get a personal if you ever wanted to. And you just use personal use. I know. Look at this paper that goes with that Love Wins. Remember the gorgeous laser cut? This is the paper that matches it. Pink and green. You can't not love pink and green. At least I can't. My favorite color combination. But I absolutely love this. And isn't that gorgeous? And it's a really pretty color green as well. I know. All right. I've wanted this one forever, never gotten it. I think this is on the sale section. I'm sure it is because you know me, if it's not on sale, I just don't buy it. But look at the wildflowers. It'll be perfect for spring here in Texas. The grass, the haze, the grass, all of that. Look at I think that's chamomile. Anyways, I've just planted chamomile, but isn't this just fun? It's just designer paper. There's 12 sheets, two-sided, so you get 24 different, things to pick from. And it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. Okay. And then last but not least, here is the Sweetheart. It is a 4-sheet, 12 by 12, 2 sheets of designer stickers, and 1 sheet of cardstock. So here's that pink and green that will go beautifully with the other goodies I've bought, the laser, the stickers, the ephemera, all the things coordinate together. And I love when they come out with just a smaller kit. It's a perfect launching point. You could even use this for card making. You can use this for mixed media. You can use this in your Bible journaling. You can use this for, of course, memory keeping. You can use this in your planner. It's just a great tool. And when you say, how can you use it in your planner? You can literally cut out the squares to fit on your planner pages and then create and write on top of that. So kind of like Happy Planner has that punch. So it's really a great tool. So, okay, guys, that's it for the papers and the gorgeous, cardstock and the gorgeous, here, I'll just show you that and this. Isn't that beautiful together? I mean, seriously. Yeah, that totally floats my boat. Okay, friends, this is a very fast video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. My husband is outside on the phone. We're getting ready to go to the Walmart in H-E-B, our grocery store, and pick up our groceries. And I will be talking to you soon. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. What was your favorite? I know, pink and green. What can I say? I'm a sucker for pink and green. Okay, friends. I really like it all, though. Okay, guys. Yeah. So you guys have a great day. I'll be talking to you soon. Stay safe. Love you. Bye-bye.